In this case, let's try to create a dynamic progress bar chart based on a specific range. Let's say if the percentage value is 0 to 30, let's make the color of the progress bar chart is green. If the value of the percentage is 31 to 80, let's make the color turn to yellow. And if the progress is 81 to 100, let's make the bar chart automatically change into green. I will show you in detail. In the previous video, I already showed you how to create a simple progress bar chart inside a cell using Google Sheets. If you haven't watched it, please check link in the description. And then, let's take it into the next level. First, select the area where you want to show the progress bar chart, and then type equal sign and use Sparkline function. Like this, open a bracket, and then select the data that you want to show. Here, let's select the cell D2, and then comma, open a curly bracket, and then type chart type. Open a double quotation mark, and then type chart type. Close the double quotation mark, comma, and define it with a bar chart. Okay, like this, close the statement with a semicolon, and let's define the maximum number by using max function. And let's define it into 100 because percentage range from 0 to 100. Close the statement with semicolon. And then let's define the color using the color one statement like this. Open the double quotation mark, close the double quotation mark, and then comma. After that, let's use if function. This if function will differentiate the color of the data. Let's type if, and then open a bracket, select the cell reference again. If the value less than or equals to 30, comma, the color of the chart will turn into red. Just type that like this. You can also customize it according to your needs, comma, and then let's use if function again. Open a bracket, select the cell reference again. If the cell less than or equals to 80, the color will change into yellow. Don't forget the double quotation mark. Like this, close the double quotation mark, comma, and for the else, let's turn all the value outside this criteria to green, like this. I will show you in the end how to customize the color in a beautiful appearance. After that, let's close the statement with a two bracket, close the statement with a semicolon, and let's define the empty value. So the bar chart will correspond to the value empty, close the double quotation mark, comma, and then add 0 here. Okay, close the double quotation mark, close the curly bracket, and then close the bracket. Type Enter. Congratulations, your dynamic progress bar chart has been successfully created. And let's apply this formula into the whole cell, like this. You can see each color represents the number in the percentage column. If the percentage value less than 30, the color of the progress bar chart is red. If it is more than 30 and less than 80, the color turns to yellow. And if it is more than 80 to 100, the color is green. And if you change the number like this, let's make it 100%. The dynamic bar chart corresponds automatically to the percentage value. Next, let me show you how to change the color of this yellow, green, and so on into a more interesting color. To do this, let's go to the fill color icon here, and then at the custom tab, click the sign icon. And then for the green color, let's make it into the customized green. Okay, like this. And then copy the hex code here, press Ctrl C, cancel, and change the green into the hex code. Okay, enter. And then let's also change the yellow. Choose the yellow color here. You can also put your own hex code in the formula. Let's change the hex code. So let's change the yellow. Okay, paste it here, and now let's change the red. Okay, let's make it more interesting color. Don't use the flat color, remember that. Okay, Ctrl C, cancel, and then let's change the red here. Input the hex code. Okay, now let's apply this formula into the whole cell. Great, you have a more interesting bar chart inside a cell, and you can also apply this into your own Google Sheets function. That's it. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.